Okay, guys. So we see those ceiling fans were crazy. It was so crazy. What were ceiling fans crazy as ceiling fans? My charging point isn't working. There was the office fan lanterns. Now let's go to the house to for ceiling fans. Then we will try these. I know already these are also crazy, but we just tried that one and it was crazy land. Crazy land. I was shocked. I was shocked that oh yeah, we are in the house. So this is how he made. Really good, huh? Okay, so if this is properly. These are way. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Okay. Yeah. Wow. That's crazy. Removed blades. Okay. Coming. Just get my kettlebell. Now I don't realize that there is a missing blade on the ceiling fan. Yeah. Yeah. Fruity. Mmm. He makes craziest ceiling fan in the world. He started making two games, which are cool. Oh my god, crazy! Yeah. Oh! Really crazy. Never thought this. But I forget on the office one. I forget on the office one. Come back to the main game. Back to the main game. Let's go. We forgot one building from the office fan chat on. After that, we will try this if this is crazy. We forget that one, but we will still on all. The world's crazy ceiling fan online in the... Oh, it's there. My ears are hitting. Ooh, that was crazy. That ceiling fan was large. Really? Really? We were still on all. But that one is crazy. This one is crazy. One rotate. Sandu, take me away, far away. I love this game. Really good game. Yes, guys. Okay, peachy. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. My charging is not working. Oh, I don't know. No, guys, I can't. Yeah, 12%. What the heck happened? Now how may I support? Oh yeah, I exit the app. I exit the app.